Thank you for choosing Vego Garden. Today we'll be assembling one of my favorites, the Cascading Raised Garden Bed from our Special Shapes collection. This beautiful forest green is our British green color. Inside the box you'll find an instruction manual, a package of hardware, and all of the panels for your garden bed. Start the assembly by peeling the protective film off of the panels if your model includes it. We're going to start with the back and bottom portions of the bed. Take the 32-inch tall pieces and attach the two corner panels to the outside of the straight panel. Insert a bolt through the hole, attach a washer, and then a nut. The cap nuts should be used on the top two rows of holes. Once the 32-inch section is assembled and tightened up, move on to the 5 17-inch tall panels that make up the bottom. You will attach these together in the same way as the 32-inch panels. Corner panels on the outside of straight panels and cap nuts on the top two rows of holes. Once that piece is assembled, let's focus on the section that makes the beautiful stair-step effect. Take the final 3 17-inch tall panels and attach them together as we've done before. This time, you'll attach the completed piece to the top half of the 32-inch panels. Make sure that the 32-inch panels are on the outside of the 17-inch panels so that the top section stacks nicely to complete the cascading bed. The finishing touch is to stretch the safety edging along both of the rolled edges of the bed and cut off any excess. You can now enjoy your fully assembled cascading raised garden bed. I look forward to seeing how you all use this unique addition to your garden. I hope this video helped you, and I'm wishing you all a beautiful day in your garden.